Hello guys, this is Alfred from Mudicat. Today we won't be expanding on what we already started with on WordPress. We're going to be talking about WooCommerce, like what we can do with it. We already started doing something with our previous videos on building an entire e-commerce store using a template to talk about how we use an AI tool with starter templates. But now we're going to do deeper, we're going to dive deeper into it, talk about payments, talk about the cart, talk about other things. So about to edit the old template to make it the store our own, to be more specific. So we'll try going to build something very interesting to get a very good outcome. So let's dive right into it. Okay, guys. So let's dive right in. So we have logged into our WordPress. So now we're talking about. Let's look at how our site look like again. Maybe I might have forgotten. This is our site now. We use a logo, and I told you that all these products and services, all these products are kept somewhere on our site. So all you have to do, you can create from scratch, or you can just edit this once. So you show how what you choose. So now I'm going to show you how to handle WooCommerce, the basic and some let's say advances, all the important things you need. Go back to dashboard. So first let me show you every component in it. So this is WooCommerce. Even this part is also part of WooCommerce. This part is the product part. This part, all those things you saw just now, is where they are stored. So now this product page, you can decide to do different things with it. You have a place called catalog, categories. Sorry, another categories is more of exactly. I'm showing you as from doing one for the other. So now we see that this place we have something called yes, also have women, everything, women and men accessories, right? These are categories. This is where we find them. So now everything in the man section is stored there. Everything accessories is stored there. Everything in women section is stored there. And then we have subsections. So now assume I want to add new product to main section. Let's say let's open it. Okay. Let's say from here you can edit it because it doesn't have a thumbnail. I can decide to say put a thumbnail for me. Let me show you on that section for the men. Okay, so this thing doesn't have a thumbnail. I decided to want to put a picture to explain what I'm saying when I'm saying main section. I can put description as well. So let's see everything. I think everything will see everything from the outside in. Everything is together. I'm looking for a place where I'm shown everything like a better view. All these things are not buttons are not responding yet. We'll make them work anyway. Okay, let's forget about this part. That part is not available. We'll make it. We will create it ourselves from scratch. So now, what I'm trying to do is that once I click on this everything, I want it such a way that men's section will be in one place, women's section will be in one place, accessory will be in one place. I put many things together. But this thing I don't build it yet. I'll build it that thing later on. It's going to be like this. It's going to be like this. But I might be having products here. Also, I'm going to have here, all these things here now, they might be here. There'll be accessories, men jeans, men shirts, so on and so forth. So all these pictures now they're called thumbnails. So now, so this is no need for this now. So when I'm going to that part, fixing that away. So now let's try creating our own category. So let's say I want to create something on let's say crafts. what is the slogan? I also use the same name as the slogan. Parent. When you say parent, it means they are called it's called parents and child, and there's one subsection of that too. So this parent is when you say men, like this old hands, like things in here, man. They are a bigger form. This is just some of them anyway. This is like the main menu. Like when you want to say go to women's section, go to men's section, go to accessory section, right? That is the parents. This is like kind of the heading. So on that men's section, there can be men jeans. That was so earlier on. We have men jeans. So yeah, exactly. We have men jeans, men shirts, men shoes, and so on and so forth, right? Those are subsections. So now they are asking me that this category I want to create now, where they want to put it. They want to put under men jeans, or where they want to put it now. Okay? I want to create his none. I want to create his own on his own. But I want to show you how it can be. So let me put it under men. Let's put under men first. Then I want to add the thumbnail. I'll look for crafts. Look for a picture. Although I would like to use agent. Let's try agent. Let's generate pictures. Okay. So now let's sure. So I want to generate images. Let's see. Okay. On for photographic. On for men's styles for craft work. Well, I can just go to Google and just get any random craft, but I just want something more intuitive. I just need something unique. That's all. So now, so I see images. Okay, now. So now I want to okay. Let me just get this one. Don't worry about it. I did main designer so that give me that answer. Okay. S- This thing costs as in this thing takes tokens and the rest. I don't want to be abusing it. It does do for simple things online and just be session crafts. Just want to give an explanation. Don't want to do anything big instead of using too much tokens to be generating images from scratch. One can just come here and say, want to do something unique, something that you can't find here, something more personalized. Just speaking in craft talk. So now, okay, let's just use this one to originate this. So now I see of use an image, display type, just leave it as default. So new categories. So now this okay, I use it as a subsection. So let's view where it is. So now Minecraft. Now main. So now assuming we have to go to main now, let's search for crafts. Nothing crafts here. I think this is subsection. Okay, this craft here on this under main. So I'll show you how everything come together. So I've not put the usual. I'm not seeing much of it. I've not put any product on it because the section is on. You must put a product inside the section for us to see it. So now I want to create, let's say, bubble, bubble, because a craft at another is called bubble. So the parents, I want the parent to be craft, so I can see what's inside bubble, the slogan. So let's upload an image. If I'm going to upload an image, it's not compulsory, but it's nice when you put images, make more sense that way. So now I want to use this image, set new category. Now I'll put this one until I is doing two dash, right? It means this is under men and this is under craft. So let's see. See? Now let's see craft. Something not quite right. Okay. I'll resolve it now. Come in. So this one to change it to, let's edit it. No, not this one. Oh, wait a second. I think it's something I need to learn from here. So parents, they don't have any parents, none, no description, default, and so I want to set my own same thing as this one. Okay, I put my own to men as parents. I want to change it back. I want to put it as none. Thank you very much. Okay, let's refresh. So now let's look for it. Let's go to home. Let's search for everything. Or let us search for it from yourself. Where's the search button? Bubble. Where is nothing inside bubble. Look for crafts. Something. Just a minute. Okay, crafts. Is that keyword research? Same thing. Updates. So we're not seeing it yet. Just a minute. These categories. I don't want to put this on that category. I know what's wrong now. This is not supposed to be under categories. This will be under products. So now we have crafts. And the reason we're not seeing craft, there's no product inside craft. Let's go to add the products. No, all products. Let's do something quickly and show you. These black shoes, I want to put it under, I want to change its location. Sorry. Yes, got craft now. So I want to put it on our craft as well. Let me save it. So I want to be seeing this shoe on our craft, this particular shoe, to know that craft exists. So anytime I search for craft, I should see it. Yes, now I got craft. You see, craft is here now. So now while we category name craft and this shoes under it. So we can also create other things as well too. So let's go back and let's add other products to it. So the reason it wasn't showing was adding categories instead of products. I also put after you create a category, you put products inside a category for it to show. That's great. So let's create another category. So you can decide to start from scratch and delete everything and start all over again. Or you can let's create another one. Let's create let's say let's say and bags. Although these handbags are supposed to be under women, but let's just make it like this on its own. Handbags, handbags. Okay, leave it as this for. Okay, let's look for handbags here. Just save any handbag picture. Okay, upload. So now we are okay. We're good. So now I add this new category. And inside this new category, it's called handbags. Right? It's here already. But this is not going to show now. Let's refresh this so it's not going to show now. The reason it's not going to show is because there's no product inside. It only exists, right? It's not here now. Craft is here and other things are here, but that handbag is not here. If you want to make it to show, I have to go back to where? Products. Add new products. So under this new products, okay now before I just change the product name, but now let's create an entire new product name because what we did before was to change one we had before. Let's create let's say Gucci handbag. Okay, so under the Gucci handbag now in this place now I can put in my product description. Product description is just simply this. Let me show you an example. This stuff, all these things here. This is French now, but all these things now you gotta tell what Gucci handbag can do, blah 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 and blah, right? So then after you put a description, let's type something in. Say a beautiful Gucci handbag. Okay. So now you can also add media. Actually, the description is more of this. And exactly, this is the description. Got the description. You can try to add pictures. You can try to add videos to make it more details. So you can try that out yourself as well. And you can edit all these things. You can make it bold, right? You can put this in the middle. You can put it at the end. You can add different links to it. You can do so many things. You can highlight it, and the rest. So you can do it like well, you can change the fonts, add different kind of media, videos, and this thing. So now I'll show you about how this thing works anyway later on as well. So now by this right hand side we have product categories. So now this Gucci handbag I create now where do I want to put it now? I want to put under handbags. Then I want to put it under another place again. Let's say women. Now put it in two places or more, as many places as you want. Let me go down. Now for these places we have all these plenty things like about to pick between simple products, group products. So this one is depending on what kind of products I want. Assuming if I have that Gucci handbag now, assuming if I have red color, blue color, yellow color, purple color, different color of handbags now, it's no longer a simple product. It's something like it's a variable product. It's what we call variable product because there are products that have different colors. So, and assuming if I was to have maybe an ebook, if I want to create a digital course, right? I can do it here as well, right? I just turn here to visual, turn make it downloadable. That's all. Then we'll do that later on. But let's focus on just normal plain e-commerce products. So now let's scroll down. Okay, now this short description, right? Let's put the same thing here. Bushy handbag. So now I think we are done. Let's publish. As soon as you publish it, got the link here already to save. So now all I have to do now is just go to either women or handbag. I'll see it. So now see the handbags now. I have handbags here. See? Bushy handbag. Although we didn't put the picture, that's why it didn't show. See the description here, bushy handbag, and a bit of this guy as a description. Then short description, just Gucci handbag, right? If I put a picture now, the picture doesn't show. But assuming that this Gucci handbag I'm creating now, it has different colors, different sizes, there's so many variables. So I want to show you going to do something like that now. Okay? Now all you have to do, assuming we still have a Gucci handbag and they have different colors, different size and size. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to do what's called attributes. We'll click on attributes. So the attribute, what kind of attributes? What are you looking for? Is it size? Is it color? Is it that are two main things anyway? Size, color. Okay. So we have let's use color. The name of the attribute we want to use now is called color. And if you are putting an attribute, you put in this sign on your keyboard. It's just like a slash. It's closer to your one. It's not your one actually. See it here. This is it. This in quotation mark. This sign. So think yes, it's close to your right hand side of your keyboard. It's closer to your slash, right? Just say shift and you see it. You just a slam, just standing like this. There's something that's like this slash, and the one that's standing like this. You see, in your keyboard is this and there's this, right? So what is this one I'm looking for? So now what I have to do, I say black. So what I have to do now is I just to pick the colors. I say black, space again, blue, orange, and purple. Let's do these three colors first. I don't want to do something complex. So, so now these are the variables I want under colors. I say save attribute. I can put as many attributes as I want. I can put sizes, right? Let's add sizes to it just in case. Save attribute, create new attribute. This is size. I don't know how the size thing works out, but normally it's for shirts. It's more of XS, and the rest, right? But let's use 14 and the rest for this one. 14, 15, and 16. Use three sizes as well. Save attribute. So now, don't mind all these other parts. Cart flow, advanced analytics. Cart flow is for assuming if you want to create a funnel. We talked about funnel one time now, like steps of telling your prospects or your customers or audience people, making them different steps for them to get something, right? For them to become people, customers, and so on and so forth. Just this part is a tool that can help you to do that. You download this plugin for this. So now let's just so now we okay. We can also do add shipping to it. We'll talk about that part. But let's look at how we're going to let's save this attribute first. Okay, here's a problem now. I'm supposed to put variable products. Yeah. I don't put variable products yet. Yes, there's attribute for it. Let's go to variations. Sorry about that, guys. I left it on simple product. That's what I was still looking for. I was looking for variation down here. You gotta get variation when you get to variable products. So now I already have an attribute. This first thing we did, color sizes. Then let's go to variations. See, add some attributes in the variation tab to generate variations. Yeah, I want to do that. Attributes, right? So now I can just set different variations. Just okay. I didn't add useful variation. That's why. Okay. Okay, useful variation. Okay, that what I missed. I will save it. Okay, useful variation. Save. Now we'll go to variation. Now we'll see it. Variations. Good. Generate variations. So now we have different variations. There are too many. Just like saying three black three colors, three sizes. So let's use mathematics of permutation. Three times two times one, right? So that's around that's six. Okay, let's see if it's up to six. So it's such a way that okay, it's nine actually. Is it three permutation, three recombination? Okay, three times three. Okay, okay, I'm not sure. I don't remember that mathematical progression for. So it's simply from what it's saying is that okay, black go into three sizes, the blue go into three sizes, the what's let's call orange go into three sizes, right? That's just basically what it is. So three times three literally, but it's fine. So assuming it was to be on that three again, that is going to be extremely longer because that'll be black going to three of one, three of just like that. But there's no problem. Let's use this one. So I have nine variations now. In other words, for our three sizes, for three colors we use, three sizes we use, we have nine variations. So now let's so now for each of those three variations now we can okay now we have variations we want to use that assuming if we want a black 14 size 14, a black size 15, black size 16, and so on and so forth. Then blue size 14, a blue size 15, blue size 16, and so on and so forth. And they have their codes, the name of their code attached to it, right? So now assuming we want to go for shipping, now you should know the kg of it, length, width, height, everything, right? You can put in there if you have those informations as well. So the class, shipping class, so if it's free and the rest. So now let's anytime please remember this all the time that anytime you do anything, make sure you always save your work. Okay, I did something just now, I didn't save it, so update. So when you see update, you will save all the changes. So now let's go back to this Gucci bag. Let's see how the Gucci bag is now. And we're missing something too, Sha. Size. Yes, it should have to stock. One thing, we didn't put prices. On that thing, we didn't put the this thing for it as well. So variable. So I want to put this club quality. I'm gonna say I have 10 remaining. One item. I just say I want to limit the purchases to one item per order. So maybe I have few left and maybe it's a very expensive product or a very exclusive product. I just want one person per item. So depending on what you want. So okay. I can also link a product. I can upsell, cross sell. Offset is that when I'm about to do to checkout, when I'm going to go to checkout, I can put any product I want. Okay, let's look for one shoe. Yes. Now this shoe now, this red whatever shoe, right? If I want to go for checkout now, I can put it as an offset. That is, I'm about to go to checkout. They want to show me under like this. Exactly. This is cross-sell anyway. So the cross-sell or right, it will show me related products, or I'm about to do checkout, it's going to show me other related things like it. So this is where I can do that on. So now I'm looking for okay, this is another thing, purchase notes. Like assuming you want to give some specific instruction to the customers, maybe they should not pay, maybe assuming you have to do cash on delivery or payment on delivery, they should not pay any money to the agent or pay any money to the rider, stuff like that. You can just put the notes there so the person will see it as well. So now this cash flow, you need a plugin for this anyway. The cash flow will help you to create a funnel, like I've said before. So this Pinterest not of interest now, and this one is just something you can do later, minimal order quantities and the rest. So now let's go to inventory. We just want to give this thing a name. You'll say hash 11. You don't have to. I just want to give it my own this thing. It gives his own name. Just forget about that. Scratch that. Just leave it out like this. Let's add pictures. Because we didn't add pictures before now. Okay, you can add picture here, but I don't want to add. If you want the pictures to be found here, this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to here, set product image, set image gallery. This set product image is what you're going to find here. Sorry, is what you're going to find here or outside it. The why set image gallery. This set gallery image is what you're going to find under it. That is, if I'm clicking on okay, let me show you how that works. So let's download many pictures of a bag. Let's download what do I have? Red bag, right? Red handbag. I have a red handbag. I have a black handbag, Abi. I have a black handbag. Well, orange. Do we have orange? Let's go to our variations. Attributes, colors, black, blue, orange. No more red, so I don't click on red. Black, blue, orange. Black, blue. So blue handbag. We'll have orange. Okay, so now what we have to do is I want to put all these product images here to show people, assuming that was the product was to sell at different colors. So I'm going to show the customers what they're buying. I will do certain. Okay, I think with that for okay, orange, blue. I think this is good enough. Move this one. Doing use red. These three. So now these three, let's update it to rest. So let's refresh this page. So now this okay, still loading. It's not showing yet. So okay, let's add this. Let's put our product image as well too. Choose this color for each. Okay, these are our product image, right? Is what we're going to show here exactly. So now this everything you're going to show under. We didn't have a product image, that's why it didn't show. So all these small things are going to show that is called product gallery. This is what's going to show you. So you can click on it, change, click on it to change, click on it to change. It is once a little bit blurry, but you can do something about it. You can scale it and stuff like that. But that's not the case for it now. We want to look at I want to look at this part that's not showing out of stock. What we did, I think is put the, let's give it an SDK name. Then shipping, refresh it again. We have so this is actually the issue per se now. Settings below apply operations without manual stock management. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, I know what to do. Let's try a sheet. I think it's something new new page. It's something I didn't click on. I supposed to. Okay, now this one is in stock now. It's showing in stock. Why is it not showing out of stock? Let's see this one. Alright, how about the cut and everything here? So the sheet is this. What we want to do is what we want to do is open what they already done. Let's see. Yeah. So let's see what's okay. I see what happened now. See that's the sheet code for us now. What happened is this is simple products. Okay, that's not actually the issue. Let's go to simple products. Under general, we don't have a price. That's why. So under general, we gonna go a regular price and sales price. So our regular price is that price they will show on let's say 25,000. That's what we're going to cancel out. Let's say we're now selling it for 15,000. not set our price, so we don't have a price, so I think that why it's showing that was out of stock. So now let's go back. So let's look at it again now. I'm sure it's going to work out this time. So this is SDU, SKU. Can remove it. So now this is showing now regularly, but this is not what we want. Yeah. Yes. Variable products. Oh, also wrong. So now I'm not done with this variation. That's the issue. So now for the black, okay, here's the one. Okay, asking us the vote default. I don't think default. Let's generate variation. So now I've added all this variation. I've not added these things before. That's why too. I'm gonna set up the price. Yes. Thank you very much. Very sorry, guys. I've just been rumbling like I'm not done with this variation part. That's why. So now this part now. So assuming because we will go to this place now, we click on this thing. It doesn't show us any price. It doesn't show us description. It doesn't show us anything. We click on this thing, nothing, the same thing. So now I want to set it out. That's what I'm trying to get out. So now I want to set it that if I click on black size 14, I need the image to present black size 14. Let's use this one. So now we have this. We set this thing shall anyway, you can only change it. So now variation of price now. Our regular what's our regular price? Let's say it's 25,000. But if you have to buy from us is 15,000. You can put in the length and weight and breadth, whatever. These are not compulsory. So so you can put some small description, black size 14 Gucci bag. Okay. So now if you are to so now we're done with this part now. So if you save it now, you see this one. So now let's pick the next one. The same thing, still black. So we're picking it one after the other now. 25,000, 15,000. Description size 15 Gucci bag. If you want to do Pinterest, can do it. This size 16. 25,000. So let's import the video and do and finish everything and show you how it is. Okay guys, I didn't finish everything. I just did most of them. I do most of them. So I just focus on the black. I give it all the black prices. I give this one to size 15 and 16. I just want to test it out first. So let's reload. Okay. So what is stop 15, 16? We're not giving blue. So So we have to put the prices and the price you want to sell at. If you have to if you have to create something down label like a course or maybe a software, a book, a ebook and stuff like that, you just put this thing as downloadable and visual. So now, okay, so now we this is what we're trying to get initially. Right, so enter I click on black now, it's going to show me that black. If I click on blue, it's supposed to show me, I've not done this one yet, that's why. If I click on blue, it's going to show me this blue color, and if I click on orange, it's going to show me that orange color. And I can click on the sizes, and I'm clicking on the sizes, it show me, assuming this price was something different now, assuming size 15 was 16,000, here we change to 16,000. So now I can add this into cart, I can do a normal checkout. And this that's what I sent to you before now, right? Lads, brown bag, and the rest. So these are the crosshairs and upsells you're gonna see. So okay, now we're good. So now you can try these manipul ads. Yeah, too long, the 9 of them. Not too long anyway, but I don't want to be filling them one after the other. So you can try that out and see how it really works. So if you to here to be blue, let's do one of this blue first. If here's to be blue, and let's say the blue is the listing price is but we're selling it at 20. We're selling it at 20. So save it let's save your work. You save it there, and you also save it here. Update. You need to do it too. So now I wait for something to do the finish. Now let's reload this one. Now see it now. You show me variation 15 to 20k, right? So you can already change that thing from 15 to 20. Now black now. Black size 14 is 15. No. Okay, sorry about that. Black now size 14. It shows you the price now. You can do 25. 25 is just how much it is, then it was sent as 15k, right? So now blue. We're not doing blue anyway. So this is blue, size 15. With this size 15 of blue, this is 20k. Right? So I see as I will click on blue, change it to blue. Click on black, change to black. Click on blue, change to blue. We want orange, the same thing. So that's it. So now with this, you can create an entire e-commerce store, anything, as in you can pack in as much product services as you want. So depending on what you're selling. So just mind you that you should kind of watch the variations you get. The example now, these two variations I use, size and color. You see how much how many attributes I got, or how many variations I got from it. Just three against three, I got nine. This is I'm struggling, and see how why it's so expensive to be creating a comment store. Assuming a guy or people that have they have 5 colors of bag with maybe 4 sizes, right? That is a lot of variations. And maybe that's for just Gucci. Assuming you want to add Louis Vuitton, Prada, and the rest just under bags, then different kind of clothes. You see, you have to be updating this constantly and constantly. So and it won't take a while. So let's so that's all about WooCommerce. And with this, your site is ready. You can do anything with it. You can change your front page. And all this, assuming these women and me, I don't want all these things to be. I want something to be different. I just say customize, edit. I say edit products. Okay, I just edit. No, you cannot see it exactly. I have to go to the source itself. Not here. So yes, exactly. I want to change this words to something else. you can change all these images, you can change everything here. Okay, I think that part I want to change. I have to go back. I know where to change it, not here. I think. Sorry about that. This is why I want to change it. Categories. Categories. So now I don't want men. I want something like, okay, let's leave the men and women. Let's do for something. Okay, men and women are the two men. All these men genes are under men and women. So so assuming if I want something different anyway, let's say instead of men, I want to put something like maybe gadgets or accessories. So let's say gadgets. Assuming if I'm into electronics, maybe I'm not looking into clothing. So I want to say gadgets. Then so make sure this is in none your parents, because if you put your parents category to under any of them, be under it. So I don't want it to be none. So I can put description, then I can say I can look for gadgets here. So I can put a picture. Okay, let's use this. Okay. So now let's go back to okay. Now to use upload. No, 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 no. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. So updates. See, I've changed to gadgets. So I can change it to any other thing I want. So, but this one, it has access to four. You can add more to it. You can use Elementor to add more to it. Let me show you how that can work. Or you can just edit the page. No, sorry, don't edit the page. Customize. Keep making that mistake. Just mind you, edit is based more of the words, the pictures, and then customize is more of the settings, the structures, the way they are. See, these bags, I click on those two things, right? They already give me the price for it. I have two things on my checkout, right? I have this shoe, right? That time I picked on that blue shirt. So now I want to say customize. Customize, you give me, I don't want to change everything. I want to change it at the back end instead of the front end. If I change at the front end, without changing at the back end will be issue. So what I have to do, I can change the say global. Yes. Okay. I can pick on any container and start editing anyway. Let's go back to the initial. Okay. So now let's say I want a color style like this one. This palette, I have different palettes like color schemes for it. So so I'm not change this file. I want something like reddish, right? So now if I go down, you see something more reddish. So click on this pencil icon. I see other palettes that are limited to 10 of them anyway. I need something more orange, like see, more of orange. Okay, so now anytime you do something like that anyway, when you're done, you say publish. But let's finish with what we're doing. So now I don't want this container. This container just with and nights or different containers like so. The buttons, I can change the way the buttons are designed. See, I can change to be like this. I can change to be like this. Make circle. Can do it like this. Can do it like this. Can do it like this. Okay. So now the secondary buttons or other secondary will are not here. Maybe the ones inside the page can also make it work out like that. So I don't want to be like I want to be like this. Anyway, click on this one. So these are the buttons. Wow, scroll accessibility. You can different things you can play with anyway. So now site identity is also usually because when okay, assuming that time we're starting up our sites and if we didn't put a logo and see the editing too here, we didn't put a logo here. This is where we want to do the logo editing, right? So now this thing now can tell us we already have a logo. Well, assuming you want to go back to our normal logo, that logo now can say change image. I will go to our, this thing and put in the image. So now, no, go back. I'm going to show you something again. So now, okay, now this stuff I told you we want to edit this right in case you want to, but if you add another thing to it, it'll be too long. It's not you was it aesthetics or UX UI. There's some rules behind that. So it's not be beautiful in other words. So you can actually increase the width. Okay, now I see on our primary menu, what we have here now is we have logo, title and logo. We have our primary menu, we have secondary, secondary is this one, we have add to cart. So now this primary menu, this primary menu, this primary. So now we can scroll down and do some other editing and the rest. But now let's talk about this part first. Let's see what we can do if we can really do anything. We can change the design, the divider. There's no divider in this place anyway. It's something I'm looking for. Okay. We're also changing fonts. Okay. Now we have Avanta, right? See, I've changed as well. It's not got the same font now. Different fonts. I've changed that again. Change again. So you can pick in the font you want. Okay. So you can make it thick, can make it light, can make it thin, can do anything onto the extra bold, right? So what I'm trying to do really now, okay, what should I place again? You can change the colors, can put in new tags, can do so many things. Just try them out. Many over style. Okay, this one is that if I over this thing, it's going to zoom in or zoom out, whatever. These are just advanced things, are not necessary. Just yes, this is what I'm looking for. Ah, still the same. Okay, configuration menu. This is what I'm looking for. So now, this is the main menu, right? So now I can say for our secondary menu. This was what you have the best thing to do exactly. See, it's your change for our for in. Okay, secondary menu. Yeah. So they have different settings or modes, right? You have the normal main menu. So assuming you want to change each of these word now, so all you have to do is just go. Well, I already showed you how to do it already. Go to your products, change each of them, or if you want to change the modes, then just use any of these modes. So that's just it. This is what I was looking for. So you can go here, click on each of them once. Okay, to edit each of them, you don't go to this place. You go to those not customize edit page. So I think this is beautiful now. I like this color. It's a nice color. So that when you're done, make sure you just click publish. to save your work. If not, you start everything you're doing from the beginning again. Always click publish or update. So now let's refresh. Let's see our site, our new site, how it looks like. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, we have a new color. Something, it feels alive now, right? Something more warm. Now normal AI too, and it's complete. Right, you go to each of them now. This gadget now. See, I really love this color. It's orange. So now we can just click on anything. Okay, no, let's go back. You see all these descriptions, so you can just learn to do those things. So gadgets, gadgets, bags, handbags, exactly. So these are handbags now. You can expand on this. You can add other products to it as well. So now handbag is still here. Everything is still intact. You can add more things to it. This orange, you can put in the color. If you click on black, I'll show you black. Click on blue, it's going to show you blue. So so on and so forth. So now, there's one more thing missing, and that is payment, right? Because when you have a e-commerce store, you need to receive money, right? So that can be found in here. Where here too, you can see many things. Let me just show you. You can see your orders. In case someone order from you, you have going to get it's a notification you're going to send to your email that someone order a product from you, and you can also come here too, or you can also come here too, and you're going to see order. It is not we're not having order yet. That's why I say then yeah. So like this is API, right? We can use this for automation, or that's a different entirely. So when you have a new order, you're gonna see it here. You can do different settings. So assuming exactly this is what we're looking for payments. So now the payments we have different options. Now before you go for payments, we need to do some settings before you go to payments. Go to general because this is America based company. First thing we already tell them we're Nigeria, right? We're a Nigerian company and we're in Lagos. So that's going to help. And so now our selling location, selling to all countries. No, we're just selling to specific countries. You see, we're selling to all countries except you're going to list the country except which country. We're selling to specific countries, you're going to list the countries, or let's say we're selling to all countries. So now customer location. Just leave these things where they are first. I said, okay, yes, thank you very much. This one I'm looking for. To confirm that this is an error, because normally it should be in dollars. So now since if you want to do, if you can also do, in case you want to collect, assuming you have access to PayPal, Stripe, I can also give you, can probably create a tutorial for that too. I create a PayPal account, probably for free. Maybe later on. Okay, so in case maybe your customers are out of the country or they're not paying you don't pay in naira, you pay in dollars. You can also create. You can usually use Stripe or PayPal for that. But now let's assume you're selling to our local people like using a naira. So we already picked naira already. So let's go to payments. In that payment, you're gonna look for which payments. We have different various payment processors. We have Stripe, we have Alipay, Alipay for Chinese and others. We have so on and so forth, which has apparent. Now we have most likely, I think it's a plugin. I think yes, this is what I'm looking for too. Paystack recommended to parent. You will see they already recommended for us already to use Paystack. So what to say? What to use Paystack now? We can also say cash on delivery. You can also say bank transfer, right? We can set up this one too. But let's see uh assuming the reason why I'm going to use okay you might not use paystack. The reason why you use paystack is in situations where I want to use card, which is more convenient for you as a company because if you are to use like transfer, Depending anyway, if you are okay, if you are selling a digital product, okay, it's going to be convenient for you are selling a digital product because you're selling a digital product, you have to confirm the payment for you to release the digital product because the thing will be on hanging. If you're on until you confirm it before it's going to be released to the person buying it. But if you are only e-commerce product, like a physical product, your agent can just confirm it on your behalf, or you can confirm it and tell your agent, depending. So the more convenient way is to use a use a debit card payments, right? So the debit card payment, the payment processor it will confirm it on your behalf. So you don't have to confirm it, you don't have to check your balance. They will check their own, they have a system to check that the moment the money have entered your account or not. So now you just come here, you click on with debit cards. They have right pop-up redirect link. Pop-up is that it just showing your screen like this. Where redirect click will take you to a different page like this. So now when you go to your when you go to your pay start, you have access to give you two things: your secret key and your public key. You all have to do is just copy and paste them here. Copy paste them here. Copy paste them here. So with that, as soon as you copy and paste them and save, then anytime someone pay with that, you have to set it up there to in your pay stack. What you have to do is to create a pay stack account and set it up. So now, so additional gateways. Okay, in case paystack doesn't work, you want to you have access on that gateway. Okay, don't worry. And when you're done, you just say save. For paystack is easier. For maybe for PayPal, I don't know. I think they have more. I'll check it out now too. So now you just check it out on your own. So for paystack, which is more popular for using in Nigeria, just go to paystack.com. Pay paystack.com. Try creating an account. I think I have an account, but I think I have issue logging in now. I'm trying to reset my password. I've been trying to do that for a while now. I think I forgot my password and I changed it and I forgot it again. I don't know what that really happened, but I cannot do that right now. So all you have to do is just it's simple. It's literally simple, and I also create a course on it probably, or maybe I'll do a short video on it later on. But for now, it's as straightforward to get into. I've done everything right up. But when you set it up, they send to your email, just like this, right? They send to your email, then you just go to your dashboards, create and the rest. So give your secret key and your link key, and you just paste it there. So okay. So now let's just do something something very easy. Assuming you have to get bank transfer. Let's finish it up. I think we have to do the bank transfer. You just say okay, make your payment directly to our bank, right? You can use this words. Then instructions, you tell them the instructions, don't pay to any other account, you can add your account number, account name, the name of Fred, your account number, your bank name, UBA. You don't need short code, don't need IBM. If you are collecting maybe in dollars or euro or pounds, right? That you use all the short code and IBM and the rest. So now this is just it. I show add accounts. Anytime you once you add an account, you can put other accounts there in case maybe situations maybe a bank is having issues. So you can put multiple accounts. Maybe GT is having issues or UB is having issues or Wema Bank is having or Zenith Bank is having issues. So you might get stuck. So that your customer don't get stuck on one particular bank. So that's just it. So I guess with this, I'm sure we have covered everything important and one extra things on WooCommerce. With this, I'm sure you're able to create any e-commerce store you want. You can create an entire Jumia store if you want. In fact, entire Amazon if you want. So I think this covers a lot of things. So if you want any specific, like you have any questions, any specific things, you can just say hello to me. Just leave a comment below. And if you have found so much value in this video, please like and subscribe. and so that as we are building more content, building more videos like this, because we want to talk about video aside, we talk about e-commerce now. We talk about maybe creating a portfolio, assuming you're a programmer, you're a designer, you create logos, you create videos, you're a animation creator, and you want to create a portfolio where you can show your works to people. You can build a site with that using WordPress. We also use agent to do it, to generate images for you to show your clients, like just make it beautiful anyway. So we also do other things to can create maybe you have a corporate, like a big corporation, C-corps, like a big corporation, like maybe do so many, maybe conglomerate of so many things. You can build a site with that with this too. Okay. Although in a more scalable format, maybe you need something more, like maybe based on your servers and your this thing might change, but literally you can design everything here with this WordPress. So you can do any site you can think of, you can build it with it. So okay, so now I think we're done. Thank you for the time.